Europeans were busy colonizing one another for a long time before they took it to the rest of the world. There is lots of trauma in everyone's tree. Our more recent iterations, yes, you can see who's on the giving and receiving ends of oppressive dynamics. But it dehumanizes everyone. And like the saying, hurt people, when you look around, white men dominate the ranks of school shooters, serial killers, and domestic terrorists. They're hurting, and they too need to be held. We all need healing, all of us. And healing these hurts takes some serious effort.